The S&P 500 Index, a week of ups and downs. The S&P 500 Index, SPX, has had a rollercoaster week with various factors impacting its performance. From the impact of the Consumer Price Index, CPI, to stellar earnings from Nvidia, the market has experienced both setbacks and recoveries. In the next few minutes, we will delve into the recent events that have influenced the S&P 500 Index and discuss its current position. The impact of the CPI. Last week, the S&P 500 Index took a hit when the CPI came in at 0.3%. This unexpected increase in consumer prices potentially delayed the start of tax cuts by the Federal Reserve. Investors were concerned about the implications of this news, leading to a decline in the market. Tech rally sparks recovery. However, this week saw a recovery and a rally to new all-time highs after Nvidia, a leading technology company, posted stellar earnings. This sparked a tech rally, boosting investor confidence and driving the market higher. The tech sector, including Nvidia and Meta, performed particularly well during this period. The conservative S&P 500 strategy. The conservative S&P 500 strategy is a long-term approach designed to protect investors from bear markets. It relies on long-term chart analysis rather than emotions or news events. Short-term declines are endured and should not trigger sell signals. Currently, the strategy is in a bullish position in the Rydex S&P 500 Nova Fund, or NVX, or other S&P 500 index funds or ETFs such as SPY. Market expectations and investor sentiment. The market has been rising for weeks with the expectation that the Federal Reserve will begin lowering interest rates in the coming months. However, when the news hit on Tuesday, investors started selling. At the start of this week, investors were hesitant to buy as they feared the equity rally was vulnerable. However, Nvidia's blowout earnings unleashed a wave of optimism that drove global markets higher. Positive economic indicators. Economic reports released this week showed a rise in existing home sales and a decrease in the number of people claiming unemployment benefits, suggesting a positive outlook for the economy. Market breadth, which has been a concern for many Wall Street bears, is improving, with the NYSE advanced decline line closing at new highs. This indicates that more sectors and industries are participating in the market's advance, not just a select few. Mortgage rates and rate cut expectations. In terms of economic reports, the average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage rose to 6.9%, a significant increase from the previous week. This jump in mortgage rates comes as the market awaits an indication of when the Federal Reserve will begin dialing back interest rates. Goldman Sachs economists have adjusted their expectations for rate cuts in 2024, now predicting 4 cuts instead of 5, with the first reduction not coming until June. Conclusion. Despite the volatility caused by factors such as the CPI and mortgage rates, the S&P 500 Index remains in a bullish position. Aggressive traders should consider investing in the Rydex Nova S&P 500 Fund or other bullish S&P 500 Index funds or ETFs. The tech sector has performed well and economic indicators suggest a positive outlook for the economy. As always, it is important for investors to stay informed and monitor market trends to make informed decisions. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.